I'm Bonnie Krebs from Art Impressions, and I am the owner and creator of everything Art Impressions. So I'm going to show you some of our new releases. This is our flutter line. So we have added to this line. It's been so popular, so we've added 5 new SKUs. And basically what these are interactive cards that move up and down like this. So this is our cat flutter. This is our little bat. So you can see his wings go up and down. The little dogs, tails go up and down, so just like this. And so interactive and super fun to do. So 5 new SKUs with this one. So this is our twist tie line, another one of our really popular ones, so we've added to it at this release. So 4 new sets. So our little cats that are hugging each other, little tree with birds, the otters, and these little girls that are kind of dancing together. So the concept is that they twist and they hook together like this. So you are stamping the image, you are die cutting it out, and then you have a little card that closes just like this. See the little elephants connect by the trunks, the little trees twist together just like this, and these also come with the dies and the stamps included. This is our work and play line. So this is kind of all of our funny people living life and doing things every day. So this is our newest release. So we've got our little guys over here, Born to Hunt, and these guys with silly sayings, you know, happy birthday old buck, and so on, loaded with stamped images. This one here that is Born to Ride. So we've got our guy on his little lawnmower, and then our little guy on his motorcycle. So really funny, full of sentiments and really funny things to say. This is our funny farm line. So we are constantly adding to this. Funny animals just sort of make people's day. And so we have a new set. This is our Meerkat Set. So you can see they are kind of looking off in the distance, wide-eyed. A lot of really funny sayings that go with this one too. Our pigs. People love pigs, and so do we. So we've got a new set, again, loaded with sentiments and really funny things to say that go along with all of our other funny animals. This is our new holiday line. This is part of our Halloween release. So we have 3 new holiday. This is our Thanksgiving release, and then 2 for Halloween. And again, we love funny things. We love humorous sentiments. And so these sets are loaded with really fun things to say. So our little girl with her little cat, little witch, and then our crazy ladies with their funny sayings. So really fun and new for Halloween. This is our Christmas line. So we have lots of really fun Christmas sets. These are our 3 newest ones. So our traditional things. This is our little Santa and Reindeer. Snowman, of course, everybody loves Snowman. And then we always have something a little off the wall. This year it's Oh Christmas Bee. And so this little bee and her little entourage, and of course our really funny sayings. This one says Merry Christmas Honey, and Oh Christmas Bee, Oh Christmas Bee. So really fun and silly things, as well as our traditional Christmas. Super fun.
2018 mini trifolds. So we have 2 different styles. We have new circlet mini trifolds. We have these really cool revealing openings through 2 of the stamps so that you can see into the 3rd stamp. We've got this cute little boo set for our Halloween as well as our Christmas set. We also have a cute little tool shed and a potting shed mini trifolds, and these are really sweet because again, we're revealing into the center, and you're opening and seeing a little bit more with each panel. So these trifolds are really fun. This is the little potting shed, but we have the little she shed sign on top, as well as our little man cave, which is great for masculine cards. We always get asked for more and more masculine stuff for the guys in your life. And we hope you enjoy these new 2018 mini trifolds. New Windows to the World. So these are really fun images that have a main image with a script sentiment around them, so that you can either use this as a standalone image, or you can reveal into the inside of the card with our little window dies. So you can use this die and then see the sentiment on the inside. We have a new Christmas drive. I love this one with the vintage truck. Our little haunted mansion house. We have a covered bridge with lots of blooms. A desert window with our little cacti, as well as autumn window and pumpkins, and succulent windows with a fun little banner. These are really great images, and we hope you enjoy these new 2018 Windows to the World 2018 Fall and Winter releases for our new watercolor line. So these are beautiful images that are made to be stamped in water-based markers and pulled the color out of the lines with just a basic water on your brush. And so they're really beautiful. We have new little boys some boats, our little girls, as well as sitting places for them to rest, our watercolor church set, our watercolor harvest set, again, another great masculine card if you're looking for that, as well as our fairy doors, our snowman set, and we do have a little set of boats as well that work great with these two little ones as well. We have really fun sample images, and there are a lot of YouTube tutorials on these so that you can become a watercolor artist with just a couple of stamps, markers, brush, paper, and have a beautiful masterpiece. And debut our new Bible journaling watercoloring line. So these are watercolor stamps made for water-based markers, and you can now, with the invention of this cool technique, be able to watercolor right into your Bible. And you can even see we use a watercolor ground on this technique, and we'll show you how to do this as well. Watercolor ground on the front, on the back, and you can get no bleed through, even using water-based markers and water inside of your Bible. I just love this technique. We have some really cool lighthouse images, sheep, gate, our lamp post, as well as our wishing well. And we have different stamp letters as well as die cut letters so that you can create your own different words and different phrases inside your Bible. We hope you enjoy this reverent, very beautiful way to create in your Bible journaling.